Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Dyson Air Purifier. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if the air purifier is worth it. Dyson Air Purifier Overview. The Dyson Air Purifier has an advanced filtration technology. It features a fully sealed HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, and carbon filter to purify air from particle pollution as small as 0.3 microns. These include pollen, pet dander, and smoke. Additionally, it has smart connectivity, which allows you to control your environment anytime. The purifier has 350-degree oscillation capabilities with customizable features, which enables you to choose where in the room to direct the fresh, purified air. What we liked: multifunctional, serves as an air purifier and a fan. Minimal, easy to assemble and set up. Lightweight, can easily be moved from one room to another. What we didn't like: quite costly. It gets loud at high levels. Features: performance. The Dyson is a high-efficiency purifier made up of borosilicate microfiber that removes up to 99.95% of pollutants. The device also features a fan to help regulate room temperatures. Durability. The Dyson air purifier filter has over 100 pleats of microfiber, which makes the filter very durable. You'll only need to replace the filter once every 12 months. Sleek design. The Dyson air purifier has an oval shape on the top, which is the air purifier, and a cylindrical shape at the bottom, where there's the fan. On the front of the device, there's an LCD screen that shows the quality of air in the room in real time. The Dyson air purifier allows voice commands via Alexa or Siri for easy control. But it also has a remote controller to control air quality, room temperature, and filter levels. Who is the Dyson air purifier best suited for? The Dyson air purifier is best suited for anyone looking for a simple but reliable air purifier that can double up as a fan. It's a good choice for people who are sensitive to smells and those living in small spaces. Should you get the Dyson air purifier? The downside to this device is that it's only very efficient in small rooms, and it's also quite expensive. Definitely not an option for someone looking for a basic air purifier. Nevertheless, you have got to love that it's lightweight, has high functionality, and is easy to assemble and replace parts. It's also very stylish, which justifies its price. So if you're in the market for a reliable air purifier, you might as well consider this unit. Thanks for watching.